Welcome to Hashtagsteel.com, your one-stop e-marketplace for all your steel needs. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to make payments for your orders on our platform. Once you've added the desired products to your cart, navigate to the cart page. On the right side, you'll find all the payment modes you can choose from. If you select Razorpay and click Place Order, you'll be directed to the secure Razorpay website. The total amount you need to pay will be displayed here. Enter your mobile number to access the multiple payment methods Razorpay offers, including credit and debit cards, bank transfers, and even pay later options. Once you've entered the required details and clicked Continue, you'll notice a coin animation, signaling that your payment is being processed. When the transaction is complete, a payment successful screen will appear. The second online payment option is Easebuzz. Like Razorpay, Easebuzz provides multiple secure payment methods, such as credit and debit cards, net banking, wallets, and even EMI options. After selecting your preferred payment method and entering the necessary details, the Pay Now button will be highlighted. Click this to proceed to the OTP verification page, an additional step to ensure maximum security for your payment. Once the payment is processed successfully, you'll be redirected to our website, where the Order Successful page will be displayed. At Hashtagsteel, we understand the importance of traditional payment methods like RTGS and NEFT in business transactions today. To use these options, first select the offline payment option below Razorpay and Easebuzz. Once you click Place Order, the next page will display our bank account details. Complete the bank transfer using the provided account information. After completing the transfer, enter the UTR number and the amount transferred in the designated fields. Once you submit these details, you'll be redirected to the Order Successful page. When you see the Order Successful page, your order has been placed successfully. If you have any further questions or need assistance, our customer care team is always ready to help. Thank you for choosing Hashtagsteel.com. We're here to make your shopping experience seamless and secure. Happy shopping!